Hi guys, another one of those side issues or disappearing off in a tangent. Picked up a couple of 32GB memory cards in Asda the other day, £7 each, which is not a bad price. But what interests me is it's got a security tag on the back. So I'm going to see if I can get that one open and see what's inside it, see if it's the same as those RFID tags I was looking at the other day. So first thing we want is the tag. And then we want to see what's in it. Well, on the face of it, that just looks like two sheets of foil. I'm hoping there's some sort of a little coil in there. That's what gets me all excited. As if there's a coil that we can make use of on something else. That's not very sharp. How about that one? That's a bit better. It's got a sticky back to it. Come on. All we want to do is have a look inside. Can we see anything? Got that. And we got that. I'm going to have to cut it all the way out. Well, we're not seeing a lot there, are we? Probably find I can't get in close enough to see what we want to see, if there is anything to see. It's very thin. I get the feeling it's actually sealed into that bit of plastic. It's like trying to thread a needle. Well, it is inside a little plastic case. I've got my fingerprint on it already. And that is stuck on the back. There's nothing visible. So how does it work? Is there something inside that? Or inside that? Because it's got my fingerprints on there. If I go in macro style, all we'll see is my fingerprints. I don't know. I will go in close. No, definitely not seeing anything in the surface. No tracks, circuits or anything. So you can flick it over. Like I say, all we've seen is my fingerprints. I could try rubbing it with alcohol or something like that, see if that'll get anything off. And cleaning it with alcohol didn't have any effect, didn't miraculously reveal any circuit traces. I'll try a mild acid. Nothing. If I leave it for a while, it might etch the surface a little bit, but I don't think so. Nothing dramatic showing up. Not getting anywhere really, are we? Well, we haven't magically revealed anything with those two metal strips. Maybe we're looking in the wrong place. Looking at the plastic case, I don't know if I can get the angle right, but there is something. Can I show that angle? There is a sort of raised bar up the middle there. Don't know. Let's take that yellow plastic off. I'm going to shine a bright light through it, just see if I can see anything. Well, I'm not seeing anything in there. If there was a coil of wire in there, I'd expect to be able to see it through there. So I don't know how it works. Gonna have to do some research. But there's nothing that I can see in there. That there is a slight darker area there, which when I look at it at a different angle is a bit shiny. But shining the light through it, we're not seeing the coil. I suppose I could cut directly through it and look at the edge. If I just sort of wave it side to side a bit, I think you can see the shiny bit that I'm talking about in the middle, shiny bar up the middle. But when we're shining the light through the back of it, that doesn't show up as a dark coil of wire or anything. So the only thing I can do is try and cut that and see if there's anything in it. But I think I'm wasting my time. I think I'm going to have to do some online research. And I've sliced into the plastic at an angle and I can't see anything in there. So we've looked through with a bright light, couldn't see anything. Sliced it with a sharp knife, can't see anything. So we're back to these two metal plates. And I have absolutely no idea how it works. So maybe somebody can tell me in the comments. I will do a bit of investigation anyway, but no idea at the moment, which is not unusual for me. I will just check there's nothing in the packaging here, but I don't expect there to be because we're unrelated. That's a extra sticker that was stuck on top of it. And in fact in Asda there's a hole through there where they had a completely separate security tag stuck into it. I'm just wondering if passing a frequency magnetic frequency nearby causes these to magnetically resonate and send a signal back anyway, or at least a signal is detected by the scanner. Anyway, I will take this apart and have a look. So that's me memory card. So is there anything in the plastic cardboard here? I don't think so. I expect I could soak it so I can peel it apart. Well guys, I've been away and done some research onto how these work. Found a fascinating video by Applied Science. It's an old video, 2015, where he goes into great detail explaining how it works, talking about magnetostriction. I've never heard of it. But basically, these things vibrate when they're in a magnetic field, and the detector detects the vibration. When I say they're in a magnetic field, they're in a 56 megahertz, was it? Oscillation that causes them to vibrate, and then the detector picks up the vibration. Rather than me waffle about it, I'll put a link in the video description so you can go and watch his video, because he just explains it so clearly. I understood it, so it must have been clear. So yeah, no hidden coils in there that I can use on pulse motors or anything like that, which is what I wanted to find out. Just a couple of strips of metal that vibrate in a magnetic field. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.